NEM is a distributed digital currency stage. It is written in Java and JavaScript and utilizes 100% unique code. NEM presents the model for wide conveyance and adds new useful highlights to the blockchain innovation utilizing the confirmation of significance calculation. NEM likewise offers a coordinated distributed encoded informing framework, multi-signature accounts, and the Eigentrust++ notoriety framework. The NEM Open Alpha test started on June 25, 2014, trailed by a long and far-reaching beta test on October 20, 2014, and the last rendition of NEM was delivered on May 31, 2015. In 2016, NEM bounced in cost and became one of the biggest digital forms of money by market capitalization. While the blockchain business was battling the Dow, a few Japanese banks concurred with NEM to make an installment framework on the blockchain. What's in store from NEM digital money? Figure out the NEM conjecture for 2022 to 2030. NEM value investigation. As indicated by the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of NEM is $3 cents and XEM is buy-in by position no. 97 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of NEM is 8,999,999,999 XEM, with a market cap of $291,592,700.30. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, XEM has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this manner expanding by 4.9%. NEM has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. Inside the last month, the cost of XEM has diminished by 18.99%, disposing of an incredible typical amount of 1 cent from its ongoing worth. This unexpected drop implies that the coin is in a plunge at the present time, so it tends to be a decent purchasing and open door for speedy speculation. NEM basic worth. NEM advanced cash was effectively evolved in 2016. The unmistakable elements on which advancement need is set are the accompanying variables. Internationality. This digital currency has gotten acknowledgement and dispersion in Japan. Nonetheless, the further plans of the engineers incorporate admittance to Asian and world business sectors. Implemented usefulness and advancements effectively support decentralization and namelessness. Fair conveyance of mine coins and monetary freedom of clients. The NEM calculation is composed without any preparation and depends on open source. The digital currency has a place with the second era of computerized cash and uses JavaScript as a programming language. The calculation utilizes the first convention, which guarantees decency in the circulation of commission coins. The first advancement of NEM designers is 2 innovations. Proof of significance convention, evidence of hub significance. Eigentrust gives the standing and significance of the hub. The 2 advancements work in close interconnection with one another. Eigentrust structures a standing framework that recognizes the most significant and solid hubs and takes out questionable and vindictive ones. This innovation upholds the steadiness and security of the NEM blockchain. NEM Value Expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of NEM costs expected in 2022, the base expense of NEM will be 3 cents. The most extreme level that the XEM cost can reach is 3 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 3 cents. XEM value conjecture for 2022. In light of the value vacillations of NEM toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical XEM pace of 3 cents in 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 3 cents and at 3 cents individually. 2023 NEM value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to report their figure for the XEM cost in 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 5 cents, while the most extreme could reach 5 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of NEM may be around 5 cents. XEM value gauge for 2024. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value vacillations of NEM in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal XEM rate they foresee may be around 7 cents in 2024. It can drop to 7 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 9 cents. 2025 NEM value gauge. Around mid-year 2022, the XEM cost will be exchanged at 10 cents overall. 2025 could likewise observe an expansion in the NEM worth to 12 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 10 cents in 2025. XEM value gauge for 2026. Crypto specialists have dissected NEM costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to 2026. 15 cents. The most minimal and top XEM rates may be 15 cents and 18 cents. 2027 NEM value gauge. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the XEM cost will be around 23 cents. In 2027, the NEM cost might drop to at least 22 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 26 cents in 2027. XEM value conjecture for 2028. Having examined NEM costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the XEM rate could arrive at a limit of 39 cents in 2028. It may, in any case, drop to 34 cents. For 2028, the determined normal of NEM is almost 35 cents. Expected return for capital invested, 11.50% by 2029. NEM value gauge. Around mid-2022, the NEM cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 50 cents. Crypto examiners expect that in 2029, the XEM cost could change somewhere in the range of 48 cents and 59 cents. XEM value figure for 2030. Market specialists expect that in 2030, the NEM worth won't dip under at least 73 cents. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is 85 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 75 cents. 2031 NEM value figure. Digital money specialists have painstakingly broke down the scope of XEM costs all through 2022. For 2031, their figure is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of NEM will be around $1.27, with a chance of dropping to at least $1.04. In 2031, the normal expense will be $1.08. NEM value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of NEM in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of NEM will be around 5 cents. The most extreme expected XEM cost might be around 5 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 5 cents in 2023. NEM value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of NEM, in 2024, XEM is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 7 cents and 9 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 7 cents. NEM value expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of NEM and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base XEM cost could drop to 10 cents, while its most extreme can reach 12 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around 10 cents. NEM value forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of NEM by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least XEM costs are normal in 2026, 18 cents and 15 cents. All things considered, it will be exchanged at 15 cents. NEM value forecast 2027. Crypto specialists are continually examining the variances of NEM. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical XEM cost will be around 23 cents. It could drop to at least 22 cents. However, it actually could reach 26 cents all through 2027. NEM value forecast 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists get ready figures at the cost of NEM. It is assessed that XEM will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 34 cents and 39 cents in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around 35 cents during the year. NEM value forecast 2029. Digital currency examiners are prepared to declare their assessments of the NEM's cost. The year 2029 not entirely settled by the greatest XEM cost